Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage Alexa on your headphones JBL Live 300 TWS. You have to start by open JBL application. Now click on your device. Then click on headphones icon or to settings. Now click on voice assistant and click on Amazon Alexa. Now, if you press one time on your left earbud, it will turn on Alexa. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.